Good morning, student. Today is our module 10 of the same chapter, rational number. This is our lecture 10. Today, I will clarify your doubts some students have asked, and we will discuss the solution of the homework given on 1st May. So, let us start our class with clarifying some doubts. One of the student has asked this thing that in exercise 1E, question number 2, part 1 cannot be true because division is not commutative in law. For the same question, another student has asked in question number 2, commutative law is used and it is not applicable for division. So how can we solve this question? This question is rightly asked by the student. First of all, I want to praise these two students, applaud for them, because this is a very important question which they have asked. That means they are studying thoroughly the concepts. One wonderful clap for them. So, I don't know the name, but these two questions were asked through message. Very good, students. Very good. Now let me answer this question. Yes, in question number 2, we are using commutative law. But commutative law is not applicable for division. But here is the statement of the question is given as, this is the statement of the question, verify the statement whether it is true or false. Whatever condition is given, we have to verify that whether that is true or false. So here we are verifying the same by calculation. So by calculation, we have to show whether it is true or false. This is the requirement of the question. Now after calculation, we have seen the part 2, part 3, part 4 are false. It means when we have calculated, the left hand side is not equal to right hand side. But in part 1, although it is a division question, after solving we have seen left hand side is equal to right hand side. Yes, it is true. And how it is, how and why? Let me explain this through the same question, because this is a special condition to make division commutative, means to make division true for commutative law. This is a special case. How? Let me explain. Here is the question, question number 2. This is the first part. From the question, we can easily judge that the rational number 1 and rational number 2 are equivalent rational number. Means if we will multiply 13 by 2, then we will get 26, and 5 by 2, then we will get 10. So this divisor is the equivalent rational number of the dividend. And on right hand side, if we will divide 26 by 2, we will get 13 as the answer, and 10 divided by 2, we will get 5 as the answer. So 13 by 5 is also equivalent rational number of 26 by 10. So this is a special case of division where divisor and dividend are equivalent rational number. So it is commutative. Commutative law is true for such numbers. And whenever we will solve these type of questions, we will get answer as 1 or either -1. So here we have done the calculation on left hand side, and here we have done the calculation on right hand side. This calculation I have already shown you in the previous lecture. So on left hand side also we get 1, and on right hand side also we can get 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, so it is true because it is a special case. Now here I have written the explanation for this. Here 13 by 5 and 26 by 10 are two equivalent rational numbers. How? Like 13 by 5, if we multiply numerator and denominator by 2, we will get 26 by 10 as a equivalent rational number, and if we will divide 26 by 10 numerator and denominator by 2, we will get 13 by 5 as a equivalent rational number. So these two numbers 13 by 5 and 26 by 10 are two equivalent rational numbers. So when we divide them in any order, then answer comes out to be 1. The answer comes out to be 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence commutative law is applicable in such cases. Then it is true. For this, you have to note down this special note. You have to keep this special note in your mind that while division itself is not a commutative, division is not commutative, but there are two special cases where answer is same. If we will reverse the order of the operation, that is when quotient on the both side comes out to be 1 or -1, then this law is applicable. Now let me explain this with another example also. Here is the question. This is an extra question. Verify the statement whether it is true or false. So here I have taken -4 by 5 divided by -16 by 20, and on right hand side -16 by 20 divided by -4 by 5. Here again it is a division sign and we have reversed the order. Here also these two numbers are equivalent rational numbers, so they are commutative, and if we divide them in any order we will get quotient as 1. So how they are equivalent rational number? See, -4 is multiplied by -4 is multiplied by 4, we will get -16, and its denominator is 5. If it is multiplied by 4, it is again 20. So -16 by 20 is the equivalent fraction of this. And on right hand side, -16 divided by 4, we will get -4 as answer, and 20 divided by 4, we will get 5 as answer. So order is reversed, but the condition is they are equivalent rational number. So here we have solved the left hand side and right hand side. -4 divided by -16 by 20. Here we have done the solution. Here we have done the solution on left hand side, and we can see after solving it we are getting 1 as an answer. This is the solution. And on right hand side -16 by 20 is divided by -4 by 5. Here we have done the calculation as we are doing for division, and we have got 1 as an answer. Again here left hand side is equal to right hand side, and the statement is true. So this is a special case. See, both sides we are getting 1 as an answer. So I think this doubt is clear to all of you, especially to both the students which they have asked. And again, this is a very important concept. Keep this concept in your mind, and again clap for the student, those who have asked this. Very good. Now let us start the solution of homework given on 1st May. I am explaining you the solutions of the homework which was given on 1st May. So here are the solutions. Exercise 1G, question number 2. The question was the drum full of rice weighs this much and the empty drum weighs this much. Find the weight of the rice of the drum. Although I had given you the hints, but I am solving it here. Here, the weight of the drum which is full of rice is this much. I have converted this into a improper fraction, and weight of the empty drum is this much. I have converted this into a improper fraction, and now I have to find out the weight of the rice in the drum. So weight of the rice in the drum is equal to weight of the drum full of rice minus weight of the empty drum. So here is our equation. After solving this equation in this way, we have find out this as a answer, 317 upon 12 as a answers, and I will convert this into a mixed rational number like this. I have converted. So here we will write our answer as weight of the rice in the drum is 26.5 upon 12 kg. Now the next question is question number 3. The basket contains 3 type of fruit. There are 3 type of fruits in a basket, and the total weight is 19 1/3 kg, and out of that 8 1/9 kgs are apple and 3 1/6 are oranges, rest are pear, and we have to find out the weight of the pear in the basket. Here I have converted the weights into improper fraction of apple as well as oranges as well as the total fruit weight. Now for finding out the weight of the pear, the formula will be the total weight of the fruit minus the weight of the apple plus weight of the oranges in that basket. So this equation will be formed. Here first we will solve this bracket like this we have done, then we will subtract the answer of this bracket. The answer of this bracket is 203 upon 18. We will subtract this from 58 upon 3. Here is the solution, and after that we have found out 145 upon 18 as an answer. Again, this is an improper fraction, so we will convert this into a mixed fraction, and we will write our answer as weight of the pear as 8 1 upon 18 kg. Now the next question is question number 8 of the same exercise. Here we have to find out the area of a square plot whose side measure this much. We know the area of a square plot is side into side. First we will convert the dimension of side into the improper fraction, and here we have, now for finding out the area we will multiply it side by side. Here we have done, and after this calculation we have find out answer is 289 upon 4. So because it is the improper fraction, so we will convert this into a mixed fraction like this, like I have done this, and I'll write the answer as area of square plot is 72 1/4 meter square. The unit of the area is meter square because dimensions are given in meter. Dimensions are here given in meter. See in the question, the side is in meter, so area will be in meter square. So next question is question number 9. 1 liter of petrol cost this much. The cost of 1 liter petrol is this much. We have to find out the cost of 34 liters of petrol. So for finding that, we have to multiply the cost per kg. This is the cost per kg with 34 liters. Here we have done the calculation. See, here we have done the calculation. 255 by 4 multiplied by 34. After calculation we will get rupees 4335 upon 2. This is a improper fraction, so we will convert this into mixed fraction like this. So here is the answer. The cost of the 34-liter petrol is rupees 2,167 and a half rupees. Now our next question is question number 10. Here an aeroplane covers 1020 km in an hour. In 1 hour, the aeroplane is covering this much distance. How much distance will it cover in 4 1 by 6 hours? So, the equation will be the distance covered in 4 1 by 6 hour. We will multiply the number of hour by the kilometer. So that will be the answer. So here we have done the calculation by cancelling, and we get 4,250 kilometer as the total distance covered in 4 1 by 6 hours. So in this way these word problem which were given are over. Now from the question and exercise 1E, I had given you question number 2. Verify whether the given statement is true or false. So this is the similar question in which the student were having the doubt. So today I have clarified the same. So we will solve the question. Here on left hand side this is the question, and on right hand side this is the reverse order of the question. Negative 8 by 9 divided by negative 4 by 3. Here we will do the solution like this and get answer of left hand side as 2 by 3. Now on right hand side we have reversed the order. In question the order is reversed. So negative 4 by 3 is divided by negative 8 by 9. So we will do the reciprocal of this. The division sign is converted into multiplication. Now we will do the calculation by cancelling, and we get the answer is 3 by 2. Again the left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So this statement is false. Now next part is negative 7 upon 24 divided by 3 upon negative 16, and on right hand side 3 upon negative 16 divided by negative 7 upon 24. Again the order is reversed. So we will solve left hand side and right hand side separately. After solving on left hand side we get 14 upon 9 as the answer, and on right hand side we get 9 upon 14 as the answer. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Again it is false. Now in question number 3, again question number 3 we have to verify whether the given statement is true or false. Again on left hand side one equation is given, on right hand side one statement is given. So we have to solve it separately and see whether they are equal or not. See on left hand side there is one bracket in which negative 16 is divided by 6 by 5. First we will solve this bracket, and whatever answer will come will be divided by negative 9 by 10. So here we have done the solution of the bracket. After solving this, negative 40 by 3 we get as an answer will be divided by negative 9 by 10. When we will solve this in the next step like this, we get 400 by 27 as the answer. Now let us see what happens on the right hand side. On right hand side here is the bracket. First we will solve this bracket like in this step we have done. After solving this bracket we get 4 by negative 3 as the answer. Now here is the negative 16. Negative 16 is divided by the answer of the bracket, and in next step we will solve this division and get 12 as the answer. Here also left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So this statement is false. Now let us do the next part. In next part negative 3 by 5 is divided by negative 12 by 35, and first we will solve this bracket, then we will divide it by 1 by 14, and on left hand side we get 42 by 9 as a 49 by 2, not 42 by 9, it is 49 by 2 as the answer. Let us see what happens on the right hand side. On right hand side here we have done the solution of the bracket. After solving this, negative 3 by 5 is divided by the negative 24 by 5, and when we will solve this in this step we get 1 upon 8 as the answer. Here also left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So the statement is false. In this way, we have completed this exercise also. Now, let us discuss the MCQs of exercise 1H, which I had given you for trying and doing extra practice. Here we have to solve the question and we have to tick mark the correct answer from the 4 options. Like question number 1, we have to add these two rational numbers. Here I have done the solution. After solving this, I get the answer as 13 by 48. So I have ticked C part. Now, question number 2. In question number 2, these are the two rational numbers which we have to add. Here the denominators are negative, so first we have to make them positive. Like here I have done. After solving the addition of these two rational numbers, I get the answer as negative 28 by 15. So I have taken the B as an answer. Similarly, in next question, these two rational numbers are to be added. Here is the solution of this. I have taken the LCM of 26 and 39 as 78. Then I have solved the numerator and I got the answer as 11 upon 78. So I have taken A option as a correct answer. Now, in next question, here are the two numbers 3 and 5 upon negative 7 which are to be added. Here is the solution. I have done the solution. After solving these addition of these two numbers, I got the answer as 16 by 7. So I have ticked the B part. Similarly, in fifth question, these are the two rational numbers which are to be added. So here is the solution. After adding these two numbers, I got the answer negative 67 upon 8. So I have taken the D part. And now question number 6 is a word problem. Here it is written, what should be added to 7 by 12 to get negative 4 upon 15. So we have to make the statement first. So what number is to be added? Let the number is x. So 7 upon 12 plus x is equal to negative 4 upon 15. This is the statement according to the question. So here we will do the transposition. We will take 7 by 12 to right hand side. Because this is positive on right hand side, this will become negative. Then we will solve these two rational numbers as subtraction of two rational numbers and reach to this step. And after solving this, we will get negative 17 upon 20 as an answer. So we will take the B part as a correct answer. In question number 7, these four rational numbers are to be added. So we will take the LCM of denominator first. Here I have taken, this is the LCM 60, and as we are doing the addition of two numbers, so we have added the 4 number and we get this as a numerator. So after solving these numerators, here in this step it is 40 minus 48 plus 28 and minus 33. Now for next step we will add these two positive numbers and these two negative numbers. The 40 plus 28 will be positive 68 and negative 48 plus negative 33 is negative 81. Now we will solve this numerator and get negative 13 upon 60 as the answer. So here I have taken the C part, which is the correct option. Now in question number 8, the statement is sum of two number is negative. This is the sum, negative 4 upon 3. If one of the number is negative 5, so let the other number is x. So this is the statement according to the question. Negative 5 plus x is equal to negative 4 by 3. By transposition, we will solve this and get 11 by 3 as the answer. So I will take B as a correct option. Now next question is question number 9. What should be added to negative 5 by 7 to get negative 2 by 3? This is the sum. and let the other number is x. So negative x to be added to negative 5 by 7, and that answer will become negative 2 by 3. This is according to the question. This is the statement. Now again we will transfer this negative 5 by 7, transpose this on the right hand side, so this will become positive. Then we will solve this step and reach to this step and get 1 upon 21 as an answer. So here I have ticked C as a correct option. Now question number 10. The question is what should be subtracted. Now a number to be subtracted from this, so let that number is x. So here I have formed the equation to get 5 by 6. So negative 5 by 3 and x is to be subtracted, so minus x is equal to 5 by 6. Now if I will transpose this on the right hand side, the statement will become negative x is equal to 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3, because this is a negative. When I will transpose, this will become positive. Here I have solved this statement and get 5 by 2 as an answer of negative x. Now to make it positive, I will multiply negative 1 to both sides. So I'll get the value of x as negative 5 by 2. So this is our answer. So I'll take the D part as an answer. In this way we have completed our MCQs also. Now for today, what you have to do, you have to cross check your homework which you have done in your copy. You have to cross check your homework of 1st May from the this answer key. I will attach this answer key in assignment section, and you have to revise your concept which are taught till date. So for today only you have to cross check your answers. Thank you.